Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter M. Let's get started. The letter M is pretty common and really basic. Just stroke down, stroke up, stroke down, stroke up and stroke down. Nothing more fancy stuff. You can do the same stuff that we've learned from the letter H, because that's basically the same element, so you can put the last one a little bit inwards if you need it, or put the first stroke a little bit upper than the rest, and that's a nice way to add a variety to your lettering, and add this one not connected but a little bit lower than your, sorry for that, than your baseline. Okay, let's try it with a brush pen now. Stroke down, stroke up, stroke down, stroke up, stroke down, stroke up. Then another way to connect is not a really rigid corner here, but a soft corner. Something like this. You can start and a little bit higher, and it a little bit lower, and I will show you the last one. This will look something like this. Let's try it in a word now. We will start with the word moon. So just the basic strokes, nothing fancy. M, O, and let's connect it in here. O, and N. Yes, something like this. Probably adds a little bit more here, and yes, that's nice. And you can add a starter here, just as we had in the letter I, if you remember, if you listened carefully. The next word would be amber. That's inside of a word, and we will do it in a straight style. Let's do a fancy B here with a little knot up top. And at the bottom, and an R. Okay, something like this. Probably should have made it be a little bit narrower, but also looks pretty nice. And the last word would be meat. And I will do it today with this calligraphy marker I have. I will do it freestyle, no guidelines or anything. So starting the M, and we will do it like this, kind of not connected to the other letters. And the last T as well. And put a little bit more weight here. Okay, yes, that's looks really nice. And actually in here you could have made it a little bit higher. Let's just add it to show it to you. Yes, now the whole composition looks better because you have a higher point, and this point of the R is the same height as the one with an M. Yeah, so that's how you write the letter M.